This is one of the largest Medjool date processing plants in the world.
Every day, hundreds of thousands of pounds of premium dates begin this journey.
Precision and scale define everything inside this facility.
Human expertise still plays a vital role in quality control.
Automation takes over with perfectly synchronized movements. The sheer volume processed here is almost impossible to imagine.
Each date carries a unique texture, color, and weight.
Uniform motion creates a strangely calming rhythm. Multiple lines run non-stop to meet global demand.
The process begins with careful loading and alignment.
Gentle shaking prevents damage while ensuring separation.
At full capacity, this plant handles over 250,000 pounds daily.
Next, the dates are thoroughly washed. Every surface is cleaned with precision. Soft brushes remove debris without harming the fruit. Clean, uniform, and ready for the next stage. Quality checks ensure only the best move forward. Automation maintains speed and consistency. Carefully controlled airflow prepares the dates for sorting.
Their signature shine returns after drying.
Advanced sensors analyze every single date.
Size, color, and texture are measured instantly.
Each date is graded with remarkable accuracy. Uniformity is the key to premium quality. Even firmness is tested without human touch. Synchronization creates an almost hypnotic flow.
Real-time data keeps the entire system optimized.
Now the dates move into final packaging.
Robots handle each piece with consistency.
Packaging protects freshness for global transport. Boxes assemble themselves in seconds. Prepared for shipment around the world. Final checks before storage and transport. Logistics keeps everything moving efficiently. The result of non-stop precision and automation. Each box represents hours of coordinated effort. One last inspection before distribution. The process never truly stops.
A continuous flow of modern food production.
Efficiency defines every second here.
This is how premium Medjool dates reach the world.
Subscribe for more smart factory production tours and process documentaries.